What if justice finally became affordable for everyone? For millions, the legal system isn't a symbol of fairness, but a maze of impossible costs and confusing jargon. A simple dispute can spiral into a financial nightmare. But what if a revolution is already here, promising to dismantle this system from the inside out? What if your next lawyer wasn't a person, but an algorithm? This isn't science fiction. This is the dawn of the AI lawyer. Imagine a tireless legal assistant, available 24/7, that can analyze thousands of pages of case law in seconds, draft contracts with pinpoint accuracy, and identify loopholes a human might miss. These AI systems are not sentient beings in suits. They are powerful language models trained on vast legal databases. They learn to recognize patterns, understand legal principles, and apply them to specific situations. Think of it less like a courtroom drama and more like a super intelligent paralegal, sifting through mountains of data to find the exact piece of information you need. The impact is already being felt. In the UK, an AI chatbot successfully overturned over 160,000 parking tickets, saving citizens millions. It guided users through a simple Q&A, identified the grounds for appeal, and generated the necessary legal letter. All for free. In the US, startups are offering AI-powered services to help people navigate divorces, create wills, and handle small claims court disputes for a fraction of the cost of a traditional lawyer. This is democratizing access to justice on an unprecedented scale. People who were once priced out of the system are now empowered to defend their rights. The benefits are staggering. For individuals, it means affordable, accessible legal help. For small businesses, it means a level playing field when negotiating contracts with larger corporations. And for the legal system itself, it could mean a huge efficiency boost, freeing up human lawyers to focus on the complex, nuanced aspects of a case that require human empathy and strategic thinking. It could unclog our courts and deliver faster outcomes for everyone. But this new frontier is not without its shadows. Where does the data come from? Could an AI trained on historical cases perpetuate existing biases within the legal system? A biased algorithm could disproportionately affect marginalized communities, creating a new form of digital discrimination. And who is liable when an AI makes a mistake? If an AI gives flawed legal advice that costs you your case, do you sue the software developer? The company that sold it? The AI itself? These are not just technical questions. They are profound ethical dilemmas with no easy answers. The risk of over-reliance is real. Legal practice is more than just data. It's about human stories, empathy, and moral judgment qualities that an algorithm cannot replicate. The disruption to the traditional legal profession is seismic. Law firms for centuries have operated on a model of billable hours. AI threatens to make much of that work obsolete. Routine tasks like document review and legal research, which once took junior lawyers hundreds of hours, can now be done by an AI in minutes. This isn't just about efficiency, it's a fundamental shift in the value proposition of a lawyer. The lawyers of the future may need to be part technologist, part strategist, and part ethicist, managing AI tools rather than just drafting documents. We stand at a crossroads. On one hand, AI offers a tantalizing promise, a world where justice is not a commodity for the rich, but a fundamental right for all. On the other hand, it presents a minefield of ethical risks and the potential to automate bias on a massive scale. The technology is advancing at a dizzying pace, and our laws are struggling to keep up. So as we hand over the scales of justice to silicon and code, we have to ask ourselves a crucial question. Are we building a more just world for everyone, or are we just creating a more efficient machine for the same old injustices? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.